Welcome to Psych 101. I'm Professor Bear. I will be your instructor this semester. I'm really excited to have you learn more about psychology. A more formal definition of psychology is the scientific study of mind and behavior. As we go through and explore psychology, you're going to see there's a lot of different areas and perspectives within psychology, and Psych 101 is a course where you're going to get to explore each one of those perspectives. So I've given you a preview of the perspectives here. You're going to see that we're going to spend at least a chapter on each one of these, discussing more about better understanding human beings, how we work, our emotions, behaviors, cognition or thinking. So we'll be starting that journey soon. I'm giving you a quick course overview. So this is Canvas. You'll see the left-hand side has some main, almost like a table of contents for you to take to shortcuts. One of the first things you're going to need to do is to get to the Start Here. The Start Here section is meant to give you an overview of the course, how Canvas is set up, as well as expectations. You'll also note that I have some shortcuts here with these different icons that are similar to our left-hand sidebar. The Cisco WebEx is going to be a tool that we use for office hours and connecting for review sessions. When we go through, I also want to give you a main overview. So this is in the Starting Here section, but it's just almost like a recipe or how I set things up. So you will have course materials and modules. Each module will be set up with an overview section, different readings and activities within that module. Each module is completed in a week, covering an aspect or a chapter. Before we get started on the actual content, I am going to have a syllabus quiz. The syllabus quiz is meant to be a check-in. It's interactive. I'm going to ask you about making sure that you've understood some important policies and expectations for the course to set you up for success. I'm also going to be asking you some questions as well so I can get to better know you. Each week I do have content assignments. Content assignments are meant to hit on the major learning objectives for the week. I also have a weekly discussion board. The weekly discussion board is a question answer application. It's meant for us to be a community building learning check-in. If you still have questions about some of the material, or you've realized you have an application of a concept, or you're interested in helping out a peer and better understanding that content, it's there for us weekly. I do have a small campus connection activity, so Chandler Gilbert has a number of great resources for you, and I'm hoping that you'll check out and explore those resources. So I have some low-stake activities for you to be involved in the campus and learn more about what resources we have. We also have weekly reading quizzes. These reading quizzes are actually learning checks, and they're, again, meant to make sure that you're better understanding the material, and I have a checkpoint that you're understanding the material. For the final exam, we're going to have a final paper where it's giving you a chance to apply these different concepts and terms and see how it can be so connected to real life. And then, of course, we do have exams. You have 5 exams, each go over 2 to 3 chapters of the material, and you will be given a study guide. We also have a Cumulative Final. The Cumulative Final is meant to have you capture some major takeaways you've had from the course. So I really am looking forward to getting to know you better and encourage you to get started at the Start Here module. Have a great week.